you don't have to come up with the big, long, secure passwords for everything because LastPass can do it for you. I want to show you that. If you sign up for an account anywhere, any website, you sign up for an account, you enter your email, your username, then it asks you for a password. You can just click the little button there for LastPass and it will come up with the long, secure password and it will remember it for the next time. So here's how it works. I'm going to go to this site called FlipSnack that I do not have an account on right now, and it has a free account sign in. I clicked on sign in. Up in the corner here it says no account, create an account. So I created an account. I put in my email. Now, when it comes to password, it's telling me at least 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, and minimum 8 characters. But look at it's this little 3-dot button here represents LastPass. You click on that, and then you get this little circular lock button that is generate secure password. I click on that, and it has generated this gobbledygook password down here, which is pretty secure. And all I have to do is click fill in password. It will fill it in for this website and it will save it in my LastPass account. But wait, there's more. If I click on show options, it will give me the ability to specify the conditions for this password. It currently is set to 12 characters. If I say I need this one to be extra secure, I can say, no, make it 20 characters. So boom, it has grown to 20 characters. And I can say, well, I don't need symbols or I don't need numbers. Then it's all letters. And then I can say, I want it to be easy to read or easy to say. I don't know, that doesn't look very easy to say to me. But the point is, it can do all the work for you in creating this long, secure password. And when I click fill in, then it pops up in the upper right-hand corner here to say, oh, do you want me to add this account along with this long, secure password to your LastPass? And if you click add, it goes into your LastPass vault.